Hi there everybody, it's Joe Shenton here, your local personal estate agent, and today you join me in the sought after location of Meir Park to show this 3-bedroom semi-detached house. It's lovely and modern inside with an amazing south-facing rear garden. It's the perfect first time buy. Let me show you around. Welcome to 20 Avion Close. Thank you for viewing this stunning property with me today. If you would like to arrange your very own viewing, please don't hesitate to get in contact with me. My name's Joe Shenton, your local personal estate agent.